Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, someone asked a question and when I saw that question, I was just like, yazi. They asked, I wonder ukuthi kunjani eMzumbe guys after one episode of Uthando Nesthembu airs because they will this gatas that they just dish out on every episode. Guys, let's talk about what Umbali spoke about. Umbali spoke about indaba yokuthi there has been talks ukuthi ingane yakhe her last born uZenande is not uMusamselebu's child. And when she was speaking, I was just like, I wonder who she's speaking about. Up until she revealed ukuthi uMpumelelo who said that, and not that she's saying Lenda Ishoyo because she heard from people. She heard Mpumelelo say that with his own words, you guys. Now when she's explaining the story, she says Uzenando was about 4 or 10 months, one of the two. I'm just asking myself, so if Uzenande was about 4 or 10 months, how old was Mpumelelo? I don't know, guys. Maybe it's because I don't really have a child or children, and maybe I don't get it. Because for me, I'm just like, how got Dambali in yakdala so, and how old was Mpumelelo then? Like, why are you still holding this thing in Trizio? But listen, guys, maybe if you do have children, explain it to us. Maybe it do you understand what I'm saying? Or maybe she kind of feels like, ingane may kuluma something. As Mundom Dala, you normally think to yourself, no, I'm sure ingane is really Lendo from somewhere. Ingane would not just say something out of the blue. So maybe Mbadi feels like, oh, kushukuthi yinto ekhulunyayo velo la kwamselebu, because why would Mpumelelo just say something like that? But listen, now we know Mpumelelo is the child that he is. And listen, at this point, I don't even think that it's fair for people to involve Umayeni, ukuthi maybe Umayeni is the one who told Mpumelelo, because I saw some tweets like that. Now, Unokuzana, Umbali is like, Mpumelelo said, just because the child has a flat head or something like that, Tina Lawamsele, we don't have a flat head. I laughed at that, guys, because which race? Mina, according to my knowledge, I only know ukuthi abantu bangaphandle, like your Nigerians like when we speak about those heads, as black people, we normally referring, unless I stand to be corrected, but according to my knowledge, when we normally refer to children who have heads like that, we normally say ukuthi, like the father of those children are not South Africans, because as South Africans, we normally don't have that head. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it is insultive in a sense for someone to say that. So Umbali is saying ukuthi Mpumelelo said ukuthi my child has a flat head and ukuthi umawakho kumele akhulume iqiniso, something like that. She brings in uTirelo. I'm just like, Mbali, like, why you let uTirelo into this whole thing? She's like, uTirelo ingane yakhe ingane yabo, Tirelo and Mpumelelo's child also has a flat head. I wonder if Mpumelelo ever questioned Utirelo if whether the child is his or not. And that's the funny thing about it, because Mpumelelo would never question Utirelo, because I mean that child is Usnindi as Sadele, just the lighter version of it. But I just feel, or just a lighter version of him rather. I just feel if Umbali is still holding this in, guys, back then Mpumelelo was a child. But you can see if Mpumelelo is behaving like this, maybe Mpumelelo has always behaved like he was never a child type of thing. You know, that superior complexity, or whatever word they use. Maybe that's why Abambeng and Klizio so much. But maybe she needs to address it, you guys, because there's no use of coming on TV and mentioning that. Whereas, like, you've never sat down. Maybe she should have sat down back then, Nompumelelo, with Musamselegu and Umayeni, and addressed the matter that she did not like it. Because it's just giving, like, how? I'm sure Mpumelelo himself, wherever he is like, I left family, I na peace, shame. Guys, you tell me your stance on this. Do you understand where Umbali is coming from? Do you feel like Umbali is being unnecessary for not letting something like this go after so many years? Or do you feel like no, as umzali, you'd only understand such a matter if you had a child, especially in a situation like this? Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.